21,979. This is the total amount that Dracula has earned in about 5 months, implementing the affiliate marketing strategy, applying the excellent formula he found in the ancient library corner. The Dracula castle, once a dark and eerie icon, has undergone a remarkable transformation. From a symbol of darkness to a modern and luxurious home, Dracula, the legendary vampire lord, has not only transformed to adapt to the digital world, but has also become one of the most outstanding affiliate marketing experts, harnessing the magical secrets passed down from the ancestral book of Vlad Dracula. He demonstrated the effectiveness and talent in applying these principles to the digital world and affiliate market. If you missed Dracula's journey in search of Vlad Dracula's affiliate marketing book and want to follow this story, review the previous video at this link. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to not miss the upcoming videos.
Dear Draculas in my noble lineage, in the online money-making journey with affiliate marketing, I have undertaken various diverse projects. I spent much time researching how to set up advertising campaigns, understanding the algorithms of each social media platform. Even I've collaborated on many scam projects, wasting time and money. Many times I gave up due to running out of capital, and then I discovered the secret. This secret helped me achieve financial freedom in a short time. I will share this formula with you. And that secret formula is: right audience, I right offer web money. To make it clearer, let me describe it through an example. Lucy is a fitness enthusiast. Dracula creates a YouTube channel sharing workouts, training schedules, and secrets for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Lucy chooses products such as sportswear, nutritional supplements, and workout equipment. With this example, the right audience is those who love fitness and online workouts, and the right offer is products and services related. These products not only meet the needs of the target audience, but also promote positivity within the fitness community. We can't convince someone to buy a car within the fitness community, can we? So identify the target audience and the type of content they want to share before deciding which platform to choose. So how can we determine the right audience? In the world of the internet, there are many social media platforms, and the task of an affiliate marketer is to understand and master at least one specific platform. Each platform brings a unique strength. The choice of the platform depends on the specific goals of each person. Detailed information about the strengths of each social media platform will be shared on the next page. Now let's focus on the second factor in the formula: right offer. To determine the right offer, we need to find a suitable niche market. On YouTube, there are many guides on how to find the most profitable niche. However, this advice may not be suitable for you. You can't share technology knowledge while working in the health field, can you? So, depending on your current age, interests, and existing skills, find your own niche. Now let's pause the video and answer the following questions. Current age, e.g., teenager, middle-aged, elderly. Current job. Hobbies and interests, e.g., cooking, travel, sports, art, technology. Do you have any knowledge that you can share useful information or help others learn? What problem do you want to help others with? Here is a detailed analysis of the characteristics of each social media channel. Based on this, you will know which type of content suits you. Now I want you to understand an important mindset. Traffic is money. Whether you do business on the internet or in the real world, if you want to make a lot of money, you need to make yourself known and trusted by many people. Build up an audience that trusts you through education, entertainment, inspiration. For example, you can teach cooking on YouTube, inspire others through short videos on TikTok, or share beauty tips on Instagram. Here are some tips for you. Follow analytics. Regularly monitor analytics to understand audience behavior and adjust strategies accordingly. Consistency is key. Maintain a consistent posting schedule and brand identity across platforms. Engagement. Actively engage with your audience through comments, messages, and collaborations. In the next chapters, I will guide you on how to build content on different social media channels.
Reading up to here, Dracula sits in contemplation, thinking about each of his strengths. Now that I am too old, besides being handsome, I don't have many strengths compared to many people. And here is Dracula's exercise. Refer to it and do your exercise. After carefully reviewing each of his strengths, Dracula decided to choose Instagram as the place to build his social media image. Stay tuned for the next video to see the detailed process. In the upcoming videos, Dracula will share detailed strategies on various social media platforms. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to not miss any videos. If you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to press the like button and share this video with others.